Good day. We are from the Policy Planning and Program Development Division of the Health Facility Development Bureau. And today, we will be discussing the policy direction for the Integrated Hospital Operations and Management Program in line with the recent issuance of Administrative Order Number 2022-0021. The Integrated Hospital Operations Management Program was launched in 1999 as AO44-A with the end goal of enhancing the preventive and promotive role of hospitals through the improvement of management systems and procedures within the hospital. It intends to institutionalize iHOMP within the hospitals, implemented preferably within a computer-based environment, build on and integrate existing hospital information systems, and standardize the flow of information. Lastly, it aims to utilize hospital data and information for evidence-based decision-making. The program was started with the recognition that epidemiologic data is needed for decision-making. It also recognizes that data collected in hospitals not only tell us about the disease, but can also have an impact in the administrative, financial, and clinical aspect of hospital operations. In addition, data shouldn't just be collected for collection's sake. There's a need to heighten the quality of data being collected through standardizing the process of systems of collection, using standard manuals as reference, and applying the concept of continuous quality improvement. When the program was being conceptualized around 1995, there was also recognition that in developing an information system, there's a need to review and standardize the processes or systems of collecting the data to ensure that the input data are of good quality in nature. This is where the different manuals of standards were used as reference. More than a decade of its implementation, the iHOMP is being revitalized to align with the directions of universal healthcare, shifting its focus to emphasize on evidence-based decision-making, implementation of health facility standards, monitoring compliance in line with continuous quality improvement, and provision of technical assistance in hospital standards and operations. During the program's strategic planning, it highlighted 5 program implementation components and recognizing the utilization of hospital information system as one of the many tools to achieve the program goal. Ultimately, iHOMP will be expanding its scope and tools and will innovate program delivery. Which brings us to the latest policy issuance of the Administrative Order Number 2022-0021, or the revised implementing guidelines of the Integrated Hospital Operations and Management Program, or iHOMP. As defined, iHOMP refers to the program under the Health Facility Development Bureau that ensures the implementation of standards and guidelines aimed to improve efficiency and effectiveness of healthcare services through the creation and use of information for clinical, administrative, and monitoring purposes in hospitals and other health facilities. It is the umbrella program of the HFDB, which mainly showcases the manual of standards of the different services and health facility programs of the Bureau. There is emphasis on implementing the program alongside the continuous quality improvement framework. iHOMP envisions quality, safe, people-centered, and efficient hospital operations in the Philippines by 2030. Its mission is to ensure effective and efficient hospital operations through the implementation of standards supported by continual innovative systems and technology improvement. Its goal is to enhance the preventive and promotive role of hospitals, both government and private, through the improvement of management systems and procedures within the hospital. The objective of the program aims to implement standards and policies for the hospital operations management, standardize the system and procedures of hospital operations, fully utilize hospital data or information for evidence-based decision-making, and lastly, to enhance and expand hospital information systems to address the growing needs and linkages with other health facilities and information systems developed by the other national government agencies. There are three main strategies of IHOMP, namely Strategy 1, which includes ensuring easy access to reference and capacity building for health facility standards through innovative platforms. Strategy 2, which enables good governance and evidence-informed policy decision-making in hospital operations through the use of information or integrated hospital information system for the collection, processing, and submission of health and health-related data, and reports at all levels of data processing. And thirdly, streamlining monitoring and evaluation activities through innovations to facilitate the use of hospital operations-related data to steer regional and national level decision-making, policy development, and planning. With this, all hospitals shall be guided by the overall goal of IHOMP, which is to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of healthcare services through the adoption of the hfdb Manual of Standards. Health facilities or hospitals are to establish and implement IHOMP and shall conform to the principles of continuous quality improvement and integrated people-centered health services in its implementation. Ensure an organizational culture that supports quality, collaboration and teamwork, flexible bureaucracy, transparency, and active involvement of management. Conduct and participate in learning development interventions or LDIs relative to the comprehensive implementation of strategic technical assistance, offering both clear guidance and room for emergent changes, and ensure implementation. Conduct periodic assessment and monitoring of compliance to standards and functionality of hospital operations to ensure continuity of implementation of improvement. Implement and maintain an integrated health information system that conforms and complies with the standards and rules set forth under the policy. In terms of program implementation, the operations and management of hospitals shall be guided by the hfdb Manual of Standards. Hospitals managed by the local government unit and other national government agencies, including state universities and colleges, private sector, and other types of health facilities, may adopt the applicable provisions of the different manuals. Currently, the digital copies of the manuals can be found in the bit.ly link as provided in the screen. The iHome Committee shall oversee the planning, implementation, and sustainability and improvement of the program. All hospitals are given the discretion to either maintain their existing iHome Committee, create a separate iHome Committee to be composed of representatives from the different units of the hospital, or delegate its function to the CQI or Quality Management Systems of the hospital. The iHome Committee or its equivalent shall coordinate with the iHome's unit of the hospital to ensure the efficient translation of standards to their integrated hospital information system. The information or health and health-related data being collected by the hospital shall be utilized for planning, policy development, program implementation, and decision-making. All government hospitals shall develop a change management plan to aid in the conversion of the hfdb Manual of Standards to a fully computerized-based information system. Lastly, one of the critical components of iHome is the streamlined monitoring and evaluation of the hfdb programs. With the issuance of the iHome policy, the Health Facility Development Bureau intends to streamline the process flow of health facility assessment, monitoring, and evaluation, and is being transitioned to one platform for ease of data submission and reporting, with emphasis on the role of the facility, the region, and the central office in the overall implementation of iHOME. To know more about the process flow, you may access the copy of the policy through bit.ly/AO2022-0021. These are the systems, programs, projects, and databases being handled by HFDB. To know more about any of these manuals of standards, programs, or policies, you may contact HFDB via the email provided on your screen or visit our website and Facebook page flashed on your screen. Again, maraming salamat po and have a nice day.